So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Extra 99 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito guys sa dial, ita-type lang natin or ita-dial natin is asterisk 143 number sign or hashtag and then call. And then dito naman guys, may magpo-pop up na option. So piliin nyo lang dito yung Go Extra. So nasa number 2 siya. Kaya ang ita-type natin is number 3. And then after yung ma-type, tap natin yung send. And dito guys, piliin lang natin yung number 1 which is yung Go Extra 99. So para ma-subscribe tayo, yun yung pipiliin natin. So type number 1 and then send. So yan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Go Extra 99, makakakuha tayo ng 8GB na data for all sites plus only all-net calls and only all-net text. So valid siya guys for 3 days worth of 99 pesos. So para ma-subscribe tayo or ma-register, ita-type lang natin is number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Extra 99 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.